Hello, this is my beehive right here. It's a Hoover Hive's Langsworth hive. So I'm going to show you how to do an inspection for the first time. So first you have to have all your tools laid out. I'm going to feed them today, so I have all my jars of honey. I have this, which is just to grab the frames, makes it all easier. The brush, so I can brush the bees off of the frames, and then this is a really handy tool. I can make these, it makes it easier for me to pick these up, grab the frames, and this is my smoker. Yeah, you know what that does. All right, so first I'm going to I'm going to smoke the entrance right here. Go inside there, all right? Smoke is dying down a bit. Take off this rock, and then might want to watch out. So right now they're not too busy since it's just winter. I'm gonna set my entrance right there. Smoke the inner cover, just a tad bit. Not really expecting anything right now since it was just winter, so this is the time where I use this. All right. Okay. Smoke right there, all the way along. So I'm actually pretty surprised right now. We have, so far, I can tell I see some honeycomb, or at least some wax, all that. Not really supposed to have any right now since it was just winter. That's surprising. Oh, right there as well. That's just, none of them are capped, so we don't have any honey in there. So far they're getting ready to make more honey. Since it's spring, I guess they already know that it's coming, so they're already getting prepared by making wax and everything. This is the one where just honeycomb all, whenever you cut it, makes it a lot easier to cut. This one doesn't have anything on there. They're getting started, as you may be able to tell right there. Let's see, this one has nothing on there. You can kind of see it starting to make it, but nothing. Same on this one. On this one, let's see. They're starting right there. This is the same kind as the other one. They just build it off of themselves without a foundation. See some right there as well. Already starting to make it. I'll smoke it again, just to make them more active. Right here, that's what the foundation is. They haven't even started on this one at all. As you can maybe be able to tell. This one they've started on it. On this side they're a lot better. And what you need to do is you need to make sure that you put each frame on the same side. So if I take this one out, I cannot put it back over here, just for memory issue. They have good memory, but it would just be a lot easier for them. I'm gonna take this one off. As I told y'all, this is called the Super. As you can tell, it's a lot smaller than the 2 brood boxes that I have. I'll take this off. And underneath that, the white thing, that's the queen reducer. See, yeah, things right there. Just gonna put this right here. You have to put it all layer by layer right there. This is the queen reducer. These bees can actually surprisingly go through this, but the queen is not able to, so it can't go up to the parts where there's honey. Pretty helpful. This, I'm expecting not too many bees, but at least a lot more than there were in the Super. This is where they stay. All right, let's see here. Right here, we see nothing. They haven't even started at all on it. Like, absolutely nothing. Try. Let's see. We'll try to get the queen on this hive. I might not be able to find it. If I do, then if I do find it on my other inspection without the video, I'll just take a picture of it and I'll show y'all to it. Ooh, this one's, it's an older one. You can see they're already starting to make babies. Already come out of their hibernation. It's a dirty one. So they're probably just gonna tear that all apart, use it for to make their hive a lot more secure. Let's see, this one has nothing on it. They're starting to make stuff, but not yet. So right now they're just getting started with all the oh, right there, you can see all that. There's all that right there is honey. So far, no brood yet. And remember I told y'all, brood is the babies before they're actually born. So just all that white gooey stuff. Oh dang, this is hard. This one, they got some honey. Surprised they have any on there. Right there, all that's honey. Now this honey you can eat. We won't be eating it because of the issues, not issues, but like we won't, since we only have one brood box, we won't really be able to tell or anything. That's a lot of bees right there. Might not be able to see it, but there's some pollen in there, some pollen caps, that shiny stuff in there, some honey. Hasn't been capped yet, so they probably like just got it recently. Oops, I just killed one of the bees. That's sad. Right here, nothing, they started making some. I said it again, we have to make sure that all of them go in the same order as we took them out. Nothing over here either. All right, so bees can be neat, but they can't be too neat on everything. So I have to just scrape all that stuff away. Can use that for stuff or just throw it away. What we're gonna be doing to school is just gonna not process it. We're just gonna take all the bad stuff and use the good wax for stuff that we need. All right, put that right there. All right, it's a good enough job right there. Not too much, but it's good enough for now. Clean it off later. Take this. Now this down here is where we're gonna see most of our bees, since it's the entrance. If we even see the queen at all, it's where we will find it. Let's see, was that the queen? Nope, never mind. Thought I just spotted the queen there. Getting excited. All right, right here, we're gonna have one of these. This is the feeder. I'm not going to, at least not in this video, I'm not going to fill it, but it's empty right now. But that's where, oh, dang. All right, so right here, this thing just broke off. Fix that. So, right here, thankfully it was not one of the good ones, but one of the frame just fell off. So let me just put that back in there and I'll fix that later. Just set it right back on there, like so. All right, fix that later. Dang, down here they have used all that extra wax that they did not need from like last year to really secure their hive down here. It's one of their most important parts, since it's where they enter and everything. Ooh, right here. See, right there, they're making a queen right there. It's a lot bigger than usual. They're not done with it yet, obviously, but they're starting to make one. The queens will fight. Right here is all the extra wax they got from last year. And let's see, I'm gonna smoke it again, just to get them all fired up. Do this really hard. So whenever we try to find the queen, don't see her right here. Show y'all. See, all that right there is honey. And then back here, nope, still do not spot the queen. I'm gonna put it right back in here. Don't think I showed y'all this one. Oh, I see honey in this one. Oh, I see just that tiny bit of honey right there. I'm just gonna keep on using that one for this one, or honey for that one. All right. Ooh, that's a lot of bees right there. So the queen will be longer. Then all the other bees will be bigger. It won't be fatter, it'll just be longer and every. It will be a tiny bit fatter, but the fatter ones are the guy bees. And this one, there's some honey right there. Haven't started making babies yet. Started making some babies, but not too many. Which is pretty good for this early in the season. So I'm pretty proud of them so far. Right there. Can get a little busy in there. Oh, right there, let's see. All that right there is pollen. They need that to survive. That's honey right there. They make a lot of that. They feed it to their brood, other little babies. Ooh, I see something in this one. Okay, let's see. This one, lots of pollen so far. Just surprising. There's a baby right there, some brood. Still no signs of queen. Pollen, pollen, pollen in this one. It's mostly pollen right there. Now, as you can tell, there has been some honey that I must have, right there, dripped. Probably from that other one that we saw earlier. I'm gonna need this. Let's get it off on the side right there. See, all that black stuff right there is the bees just like the extra pollen that they did not need, and they just like put it, all that wax, I mean, they just used it to secure their hive a lot more. Makes it harder for me, but I'm glad that they actually do it. Pollen, pollen, pollen. So that bee right there with the yellow stuff on its legs, that's the part that's the kind of bee that like gets all the honey and takes it back to the hive. Here, still do not see the queen. Oh, is that her? No. But lots of pollen though. Alright, that's it for, or not yet for this video. Yeah, for this video, that is it. I will catch you back up on the parts where I will be filling up this little booger right here. And yeah.